In this video, I'm going to show you how to set display zoom to show larger icons on the home screen and larger text at your apps. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings, then scroll down for a bit and tap on Display and Brightness. Next, scroll down to the very bottom where you can easily find Display Zoom feature. You can hit right here where it says View. And now there you can switch between two views. The first is default, it's set as default, and then you can check mark larger text to increase text size and icon size at your device. After you selected larger text, you can hit on Done and then hit on Use Zoomed. Then wait for a couple of seconds, and now as you can see, text size becomes a little bit larger. You can go through your menus and also you can go to your home screen to see that icon size also increased. And as well, you can open up your lock screen and see that these elements are bigger now too. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.